And then he also said that evil is the result of ignorance, which I don't agree to. Well, there are people, a lot of people who does evil kasi nga hindi nila alam or ignorante sila sa good or sa truth. Let's just say about the Bible na ginagawa nila yung mga bagay-bagay, they worship other gods, they do evil kasi nga they do not know about the truth or kung ano yung tamang gawin. Let's just say kaya nga sinabi ni God na my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Just like that, na maraming, sabihin natin, namamatay, maraming gumagawa ng masasama kasi they don't know what is good or ano yung tamang gawin. They're just going with the flow sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa mundo and kung ano yung naisip nilang tama or mali. But then there are also people who does evil even though alam nila yung truth, or sabihin na lang natin, they still do evil even though they are not ignorant about the truth. Just like me, even though I already know about the Bible, even though marami na akong alam, even though alam ko yung gantong bagay ay hindi maganda or it is against the will of God, it is against what is written in the Bible, I still do it because gusto ko at dahil parang wala akong strength to choose the good. Parang ganun. So, because parang, ayun nga, evil is the result of ignorance is not true. Like, hindi siya excuse. Ignorance is not an excuse kung bakit gumagawa ng evil yung tao. Kasi, when you do evil, yung konsensya mo ay nagsasabi na actually na mali yan, or mali yan, hindi mo dapat gawin yan. Pero we still do it kasi nga we have free will, we have choice, and we often choose the good over the bad. I mean the bad over the good kasi nga mas madaling gawin yung bad things kaysa sa good things. And I just want to say that it is only the Holy Spirit who can empower you, can strengthen you to choose the good over the bad.